Mr. Elon Musk, may we please get a Model 3 for our birthday? We're at the Tesla Service Center to find a Model 3. We found a Model 3 that's our favorite color, blue. Teslas! Blue! Red! White! Blue! White! Silver! Red! It's the delivery truck!
Dude, this is amazing.
Up there.
I do Tesla.
You like that? All right. Which one are you gonna drive? That blue one?
The blue one.
That one in the bottom? The Model 3?
Yeah.
All right. This one is really fast. This one rocks. And the last one in the back. See the black one?
Yeah.
Yeah. That's a 100. That's really fast.
I do Tesla.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Go ahead, talk to me.
How long have you been delivering Teslas for?
For about 5 years.
Do you have a Tesla?
No, I don't. But I will buy one. Great car.
What's your favorite color?
I'll say pearl white.
Thank you for your hard work.
You're very welcome. You like that? You like the whole thing? Nice, right? All right, it was a pleasure. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. What's your name? Nathan? I'm Billy.